Let's go see how we actually got this super heavy safe in place with a cool tool called an Airsled. Luke, Mark, JG, Johnny, and Nathan, and I got the hard job of holding the Airsled. All right, this thing weighs just shy of 2,000 pounds, and supposedly this Airsled, which is like an air hockey table upside down, is gonna move it. It's about to get loud. Let's make it happen. You ready, boys? Sure. It's like a glorified vacuum cleaner blowing that air in this 2,000 pound safe of my hardwoods. It's not easy, but it's not terrible. I don't hear any grunting from Johnny over here anyways. All right, not bad at all. Come on. Wow. Super fun project, y'all. Hidden doors. Obviously, this is my house, not a client's house. I still have a little bit of a few dings I need to touch up, but other than that, as heavy as this safe was, that Airsled really did an amazing job of us getting it into this super tight space.